throttle body cleaning on a Expedition 5.4. I imagine it's going to be the same on F150 or any other 5.4, F250, 350, whatever. It's an 06 Expedition. First, you're going to remove the intake, the air intake to the front of the air filter box, and do that. Basically, just going to pull it out of the front first, like so, and then there's two tabs underneath this. They just go into rubber grommets. Just pull up on it gently. There's one, two. Take this hose out of the way, and then you're going to twist it, and it should pull right out. There we go, just like that. Put that to the side. Okay, and then there's a couple of switches. Unfortunately, the throttle body is in here, underneath this snorkel. So, you're going to have to remove that. In your PCV, push down on the green tab, pull it off. Then you got this, your heater hose, just pulls right off, like that. And then, you got a rubber hose in the back here, just pulls right out. And another vacuum line going to your booster. Just twist it, break it free. It should pull right off. Yeah, there you go. Okay. And then you got these guys right here. I already broke that loose. It's a 10 millimeter. And then you got two more on the other side. Trying to do this with one hand is a pain in the ass. Okay. Yeah, you know what? I'm going to get an extension and pull those out, and I'll show you what to do after that. Alright, so I got those bolts out. And then all you got to do is just lift up on it. It's just a rubber grommet that goes over the intake of the throttle body. There you go. Rubber grommet. And then there you got your throttle body. Nice and exposed. Signs that you might think that this needs to be done, like what I'm going through right now, is it's a very low idle in gear, like 450 or 450 RPM. And it's been stalling on me. And also when I hit the gas, it takes a little bit more than I think it should to get the car going, truck, whatever. So basically you're just going to take some throttle body or some mass airflow cleaner, and you're just going to spray in there and try and get all the residue, gunk, any kind of buildup you got in there. That's going to affect this. These things are so sensitive that the slightest little buildup is going to affect performance. So I'm just going to spray that and clean it. Use a toothbrush or a rag, and then throw everything back together. You shouldn't need that much. Don't dump an entire can into this thing. Any kind of residual will be burned off by the engine or evaporate before you even started getting everything back together. So there you go. Not that difficult. Another thing I would suggest is, while you got everything apart, is to do your mass airflow. This is a T20 Torx. I'm sorry, T20? Yes, T20. Just pull these screws out and be very careful with this thing. It's very sensitive. pull it out and use the same cleaner, mass airflow. This one doesn't look horrible. Focus. Just spray in there. Get any kind of carbon or anything out of there. And that might be one of your issues too, any kind of hesitance or stalling or whatever. But this is the stuff that I use, CRC mass airflow sensor. As you can see, my throttle body was quite dirty. Actually, can you see? Yeah. This was a clean rag before I used it. So, I'm hoping that this is my issue. I'm pretty sure it is. But, alright, have fun.